Advanced exercise about the factorizing using the grouping, using the common factor and the difference of the square. Factorize fully and simplify solve. Yep. Question A, you can see you got the form of the square root for this one, and you got square outside, and it's h equal to square root 2 divided by 3, that is the first bracket, and the second one h plus square root 2 divided by 3, and the next one you got b h minus square root 3 divided by 2, and then multiply with h plus square root 3 over 2. Question C, h squared 7 and square root of 16, this means 4. After that you got the sum for this bracket, square root 7 divided by 4. And the next one, question D, the same idea, h minus square root 5 divided by 6. And the next one is h plus square root 5 divided by 6. That is question D. Question is this square root. Okay, so h minus 2 square and then square root of 20 and then square. The first bracket you got this one, square root minus square root 20, and new one will be plus square root 20 by here. How can you simplify with this one? 20 is 4 times 5. 4 times 5, changing, simplify that self is become to this one. And the next term will be plus 2 square root 5. Question F, h plus 4 square outside minus 27 square root first and then square outside. The difference of square formula will be applied for this one, but I have a little bit problem about square root 27. 27 is 9 times 3, so this one will be minus 3 square root 3, and that's why you will have the next one will be plus 3 square root 3. Question G, square root of 75 minus 7 square root 75 and h plus 1 plus square root 75. For this one, h plus 1 minus 75 is 25 times 3, and square root of 25 is 5. So you got this form, and the next one will be plus 5 square root 3. About the last one, question 8, sorry, h minus 7 minus square root 40, and then you got h minus 7 plus square root 40. Okay, for this one you will have here is 2 times square root 10. Yeah, that is 10 times 4 equal to 40. And the next one you will have plus 2 square root 10 like this. Question 8. Talk about question I. At this question I cannot make the common factor for the first step, so I will change the first one will become to square root 3 times x and then square outside minus 2 square. The difference of the square minus 2, and the new one is square root 3 x plus 2. Question G, square root 5 times x minus 3, this one is square and this one will be square. Square root 5 times x minus 3, and the new one is square root 5 x plus 3. Question K, no square number. I will do it quickly. 7 x minus square root 5 and square root 7 x plus square root 5. Question L, same idea without square number. Square root 11 for this one and square root 6 times x plus square root 11. Question L, we finish. Okay, first one I have to reorder for each question in this slide. Change the position to x squared first minus 5. Question N, 5x squared minus 16. Question O, 3x squared minus 10. And the last one, question P, 13x squared minus 7. And for this one, square root 2x minus 3, multiply the sum of this bracket, square root 2x plus 3. The next one here is square root 5x minus 4 and square root 5x plus 4. This square root 3x minus square root 10 and square root 3x plus square root 10. And the last one a little bit harder without square number, minus 7 square root 7 and then plus square root 7. Yeah, that is question P. Okay, we finished question 8. Move to this one. The first is rearranging and then you factorizing. Okay, so how can I work with this one? I will change position of minus 6 and here, because the first two bracket I have no common factor, and then I have to change this one, minus 3x first, minus 6 and plus 2y. The next step, x will be outside, y minus 3 here. For this one, minus 3 times 2 and plus 2 and y here. So I will take out the common factor for the second term here, 2. So the next step, I will got plus 2 will be outside. You got y minus 3 inside the bracket, and after that I have the common bracket, y minus 3 and x plus 2 will be here, the second one. About question B, rearranging first, ax plus 3a minus 12 minus 4x. The first common factor of the first two terms is a, x plus 3. And the next one, I will take minus 4 outside. Minus 4 is equal to minus 4 times 3 equal to minus 12. So you got 3 here and you got x for this one. And x plus 3 will multiply with a minus 4. Will be a minus 4. Question C, rearrange first. Ax plus 5x minus 10 minus 2a. So take x outside, a plus 5. Take minus 2 outside, 5 plus a, minus 2. Minus 10 equal to minus 2 times 5. Yeah. So the common is a plus 5 and the next bracket is x minus 2. Question C. Go on for question D. Question D, I will change xy minus 3y plus 12 minus 4x. Take y outside, you got x minus 3. And I will take 4 outside. When I got 4 outside, no, it cannot be 4. Minus 4, plus 12 equal to minus 4 and 3 minus 4 by this one. I will take minus 4 outside. Okay. Minus 4 will be outside with this one. You will got x minus 3. X minus 3 and then x minus 3 will be the first common factor and y minus 4 is the second one. Question E, 2ax minus a plus 3 minus 6x. Take a outside, 2x minus 1. Take 3 outside, you got minus 3 outside. Rearrange this one, minus 3 multiply minus 1, minus 3 multiply 2x. So for the second bracket, I will see the minus 3 will be the common factor. Inside the bracket, you got minus 1 and you got 2x. 2x minus 1. And then 2x minus 1 will multiply with a minus 3 by this writing. That is question E. The next one is question F. Question F a little bit longer, right? Got here is 2ax plus a minus 20 minus 5x. So 2x will be here x plus 4. and minus 5 will be outside. 4 plus h for this one mean h plus 4, so 2a minus 5. 2a minus 5. That's question F. About question 10, factorizing fully. I think I have to take the common factor before to apply the difference of the square or grouping. For question A, I can see 5 here and 5 here. Take 5 outside first. You got h squared minus 20. What? 24? Okay. So the next one will be the difference of the square, h minus 2 square root 24 and h plus square root 24. And then you will have h here. 24 is 4 times 6. It means 2 times square root 6. Like this one, and here you got 2 square root 6 here. About question B, you can take 3 outside. H squared will be outside for this one. 52? No. 162 divided by 3, 54. Okay, 54 will be 9 and 6. Okay. The first step, take square root of 45 and h plus square root of 54, sorry. And 9 times 6, so I will convert this become to the simple surf. 9 times 6 is mean 3 square root 6, and the new one is 3 square root 6 like here. That is question B. For the next one, you got C. Take C outside. Take C outside. 7 outside. By this one, 1 if I divide by 7, 18. 18 here. 7. H minus square root 18. And then h plus square root 18. Yeah. 18 equal to 9 times 2. So I will have new surf form 3, 2. And then h plus 3 square root 2. And D, 2 outside, of course, 2 outside first because 96 divisible by 2. And minus 48 here. About 48, I'm got 16 times 3. 16 times 3. So the first one, square root of 48 and plus square root 48. And the next you got h minus 4 square root 3, and then you got h plus 4 square root 3 here. That is question D. How about question E? About question E, I will take 2 outside first, a little bit longer and harder. Minus 5, and the new square root will be a little bit complicated. The first term is h plus 3 minus square root 5, and the next one is plus 3 plus square root 5. I can't do any more for this step, so I will stop here. For question F, take 3 outside, h minus 1 square and minus 7, put it inside the square bracket. It means the bigger bracket. You got 3, h minus 1 minus square root 7, completing the square, h minus 1 plus square root 7, new completing the square. That is question F. About question G, take 4 outside, h minus 4 square and minus 12 inside the bigger bracket. Is means square bracket. 4 will be here, h minus 4 and minus square root 12. Oh, sorry, this is not square anymore for this one. The single bracket and the second single bracket is plus 12, square root 12. 4 outside, h minus 4 square root 12. Square root 12 is 4 times 3 minus 2 times 3, and h minus 4 plus 2 times square root 3. Yeah. And now we move to question 8. Is that the final? Okay, that is the final. Question 8. You take 5 outside, h plus 6 square, and here is 90 divided by 5, you got 18. 18, I can factorizing this become to the surf. Yeah, h plus 6 minus square root 18 and h plus 6 plus square root 18. And then you got 5x plus 6 minus 3 square root 2. And the next one is plus 6 plus 3 square root 2. Plus 3 square root 2. That is question 8.